Hello, foodies. Today, we're exploring the incredible herb oregano. Stick around to discover why this herb is a kitchen essential. Oregano is not just a flavor powerhouse but also offers amazing health benefits. Here are the top 3 benefits of oregano, supported by research. Oregano can boost your body's antioxidant activity by 42%, helping to fight free radicals. Its antimicrobial properties can reduce bacterial growth by 35%, making it a natural preservative. Oregano aids digestion, improving your digestive health by 25%. From pasta to pizzas, oregano elevates the flavor of any dish. It's a culinary delight. So, next time you cook, don't forget to add a pinch of oregano. For more organic tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe now. Visit our shop ebuy24.shop.